guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will show you how I draw curly ginger hair with colored pencils. Today we will be focusing on just how to draw hair, but I have other tutorial of this portrait coming out. So as always, I start with the color chart. I listed all the pencils I used for the stone, so at the end we have this ginger reddish hair color. As a base layer I use light orange and then go to sanguine and red colors to specify where the shapes are. Basically I follow the guidelines defining the shades and the highlights. After that I go in with the chocolate tone to define where the dark shadows are. I go sometimes back to lighter tones to get this smooth transition between middle tones and shadows. And finally I define the darker spots of the hair with black pencil. So basically you're going over and over again the hair following the same order of the color chart to achieve the smoothness and softness of the colors. So at the end, to make it more realistic, you can add this flyaway hair around with sanguine or black pencil. And also another tip to make it more realistic, you can add a highlighted hair with X-Acto knife, or as we call it, cutter. So now we go to the portrait itself. Basically I'm just applying the same techniques over and over again on each curl of the hair, and of course it might take a while. So as you remember from my previous tutorials, I always mentioned to go from light tones to dark ones. However, it is not the standard rule. There are no rules, to be honest. Each artist has his or her own way or technique of drawing. It's just the way I was taught, and this technique works for me so far. There is an advantage of it, of course, so if you start the drawing with light tones and you make a mistake, it will be easier for you to fix it rather than fix dark colors. So guys, this is basically it. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.